The Journey of Prophet Esa, Part 4. Esa said to his companion, "A stone for me, a stone for you, and stone for the owner of the third loaf." And a man who accompanied him said to him, it's me, the owner of the third loaf. In reality, I had two with me, but I ate it when you were praying. All the stones are mine, or I will kill you." Esa answered him, "They are all yours, I am leaving you." And then he went on his way alone. The man remained with the 3 stones. He began to think of a solution to transport these stones being stolen. And while he was absorbed in his thoughts, he was attacked by 3 men who killed him in order to take this enormous treasure. The 3 men decided that one of them should go to the city to bring them food. In all discretion, one of the 3 left, and while he was gone, the 2 who remained began to plot against him, saying to themselves that we would kill him when he returned, and divide the treasure between the 2. On his return from the city, the man who went to look for food was whispered by Satan the idea of poisoning the food in order to keep the treasure for himself. He went back in their direction, arriving in front of these 2 others. The man was attacked and killed by them. The 2 men who remained ate the food brought back, and both died. A few days later, Esa went back along this path and saw the 4 dead bodies on the ground. He turned to his apostles and said to them, "Look what this world has done to those who cover it." This is the end of this episode. Subscribe for more content.